So our final speaker this morning is Jaime Rebelo, who is the Director, Industrial and Regional Industries with WorkSafe. Jaime looks after the regulation for WorkSafe across construction, manufacturing, transportation, and very importantly, the agricultural sector. He joined us in 2023 coming from Brunei, where he was the Chief Inspector and Director for the Occupational Safety and Health Regulator there. He started his working life on the high seas. And whilst he was doing that, he found time to write a book of poetry. And the last time I checked, it was still available on Amazon. So if you're interested, go and have a look. Jaime's going to talk to us about some animations that have been developed, and he's going to give us some closing remarks as well. Jaime, thank you.
As the penultimate engagement for today, I'd like to draw your attention to 5 safety animation videos developed by WorkSafe. And these videos serve as a helpful recap to the key messages that our esteemed presenters have given us earlier today. So our first video is the use and handling of chemicals. Farms often require chemicals and hazardous substances for various activities. Farmers routinely handle, store, and transport herbicides, fungicides, and pesticides. If not managed properly, these substances can pose serious risk to health, both short-term and long-term. So where do we stand in terms of our awareness and understanding of safe chemical use, correct PPE, and the importance of safety data sheets?
The use of chemicals such as herbicides, fungicides, and pesticides on farms may expose users and others to the risk of injury. These hazardous chemicals can cause both short and long-term harm to health if used in an unsafe way. But what have you got in place in case of an exposure? Unsafe use of hazardous chemicals can lead to injury if the safety data sheet is not followed. If you are a long way from help or working alone, or without a safety shower or eye wash, the injury may become worse. Using personal protective equipment recommended by the manufacturer will help to ensure that users will not suffer eye, skin, lung, or other injury. Before use, the safety data sheet should be consulted for the information on the hazardous nature of the chemical, personal protective equipment, safe handling and storage, and first aid. Planning for the safe use of hazardous chemicals at your workplace reduces the risks of injury. Make sure you have the right equipment and workers are trained before using the chemical. Always follow chemical safety procedures. Take the time to make sure your system is safe. For more safety tips, visit our website. Stay safe and happy farming.
Our second video highlights the importance of protecting children on farms. Children are naturally curious and often eager to participate in farm activities. Visitors, especially those from urban areas, may not be aware of the hazards and the risks associated with the hazards on your site. Farms blend work, home, and play, creating a complex risk environment.